I'm very excited to show you guys this video. So in this video, I made 3 accessories. One accessory goes with Lolita dress, another 2 accessories go with my handful dress. So let's start. Those are the material you might need: the velvet flower and some pearls, those small rings, and steampunk wheels, and glue and glasses. These glasses is very similar to my glasses. Look, it's very similar. There are a lot of ways you can decorate your glasses. You could just like glue the wheel on glasses. Any different ways you like. You could glue them on both sides. So if you have a steampunk dress, you could DIY a pair of glasses to match your steampunk dresses. X option, you can just glue the pearls around it. Wow, I love those pearls. And you could glue them on individually. I could have a pearl hanging down the glasses. Firstly, I will glue the flower on the glasses, and then I will pick a big one and a small one, like that. It looks like this. Then I think I will glue another one. I could put more wheels, and then I will put the pearls on the side, like 8 pearls. 1 small wheel, and then you just hang this one on the wheel. It's very easy. You just do it any way you like. Hang it on the wheel. It looks really good. Wow, but it'll cover your vision. This is my handful, so the idea is to sew the 3D flower on the chest band, and it has a mix of white and pink and blue. I really love those flowers. See the embroidery part, it's got some pink on it. I think this will look prettier than before. You just like place the embroidery part and then hand sew each one on. Just sew them one by one. Do you feel like right now it's a lot prettier than before? I like this. Wow, right now it's a lot prettier than before. You can use this idea on a lot of your clothes. On your waistband, you could put those on your shirt and on your dress. There are just a lot of options. You can sew those 3D flowers on, and you could also use those 3D flowers to make hair accessories or the Lolita hair dress or any like accessories. I think they're just very useful. And do you guys remember the blue earrings I made? It goes really good with this dress. I'm very surprised to this final look. I love 3D flowers on the dress, on the clothes. It's just very pretty. I will sew the ribbons on the umbrella, just like this umbrella. I don't want to put too many ribbons on the umbrella, so I will sew 1 ribbon and leave 1 open and another one. And then let's see the result. The ribbon is about 158 centimeters, so I will fold it in half and sew it on. And you need to light the end to prevent it to freeze. I hope you like this video. I like all the accessories in this video. Really love it. Especially this one. I love this one a lot because the glasses will go perfectly with this dress. I'm going to transform this dress. This dress looks like this right now. It's a fun dress, but I'm going to transform it to match the glasses. I need to get more of those flowers. I plan to transform this dress late next month. I'm still working on a dress. Just for transforming that dress, it took me for evenings and I haven't finished it. Yeah, I will finish that one and then I will make some other stuff. I'm very surprised. It looks really good. I need more of those flowers. The surface is made of velvet. Very good. I really love the pearls. And the umbrella. You could use this style umbrella, go with handful or other outfits you can think about. I love those ribbons. So I actually don't have a handful dress that would match this umbrella. Another idea, you can use the tassels to decorate your umbrella. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.